Hi, welcome to this next tutorial where we continue from our last tutorial where we have connected two field devices and created a data mapper object representing our machine, where transformations are used to create a unified data model. In this tutorial, we will store our data into an Influx time series database and build a dashboard. So let's get started. First, I'll add an enterprise connector of the type InfluxDB. I'll enter the connection parameters, the database name and username password. So this one is connected. So now we can start adding properties so that they get stored in the time series database. We can do that very easily by using the AutoMapper feature. So let's take the air pressure, the motor temperature, the calculated value for total power, and the state of the machine. So I'll do a state change so that we have some information in our database. And there we go. Now I'll switch to the Grafana dashboarding view. For this demo, I have prepared a dashboard with identification information of the machine, the state of the machine and its history, the energy consumption, air pressure overview, and the motor temperature. So next we need to add some InfluxDB query to get the data from the time series database. So first up is the state, the total power, the air pressure, and finally the motor temperature. As you can see, it's very easy to create a Grafana dashboard using Reniway Edge.